Hello friends, welcome to DYP ACS YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about multiplexing, the concept of multiplexing. So before this multiplexing, it was widely used in telecommunication. That is multiplexing. It originated in telegraphy in the earlier 1870s and is now widely used in communication. Now, this technique, multiplexing technique, it was developed by Sir George Owen Square. Now, what is this multiplexing? What is this multiplexing? Multiplexing is a technique. Okay, now this multiplexing, it is a technique used to combine and send the multiple data streams over a single medium. Means what? It is a process which allows multiple signals to travel simultaneously over a single communication channel or path. So multiplexing in computer network, it increases the amount of data that can be transmitted in a given time span over a given bandwidth. So this multiplexing, what it does, it divides a given path logically. Okay, it divides the given path logically into several short types and then uses each path to transmit the data of an individual node. So in multiplexing, two devices are mainly used. Okay, there are two devices in multiplexing. One is known as multiplexer and another is known as demultiplexer. Both these devices work at both the ends of the network. Now multiplexer, it works on transmitting side and demultiplexing, it works on receiving side. Multiplexer, what it does, it merges signals of all the nodes and loads them on the medium or path. When these signals arrive at demultiplexer, what happens? The demultiplexer, what it will do, he will separate the signals and send them to the respective destination nodes. So what is multiplexing? It is a process of combining the data stream. Okay, multiplexing is combining a data stream, and hardware used for this multiplexing is known as what? Multiplexer. Hardware used for multiplexing is known as multiplexer. Now multiplexing is achieved by using a device called multiplexer that combines n input lines to generate a single output line, and demultiplexing is achieved by using a device called demultiplexer, which is available at receiving end. And demultiplexer, it separates a signal into its component signal. Okay, so this was about demultiplexing. Now this demultiplexing, why do we use? In order, the transmission medium is used to send the signal from sender to receiver. Okay, the medium can have only one signal at a time, right? So using, if there is a multiple signals to share one medium, then what happens? The medium must be divided in such a way that each signal is given some portion of the available bandwidth. Now for example, if there are 10 signals and bandwidth medium is 100 units, then what happens? Then 10 unit is shared by each signal. So when multiple signals share the common media, there is a possibility of collision. So multiplexing concept is used to abort such collisions. Okay, so this was about multiplexing, and the advantage of this multiplexing is what? More than one signal can be sent over a single medium, and the bandwidth of the medium can be utilized very effectively, very efficiently. So these are the advantages. In our next lecture, we will be discussing about different types of multiplexers. Okay, thank you.